Hi everyone, today we will discuss articles. Articles are the part of determiners, and in ancient grammar books, articles and determiners are studied under the topic adjectives. So we can say that articles like adjectives or determiners are used before nouns, and these articles are used before nouns to limit their meaning. As you know that articles are used before nouns, so it is really very important for us to know the kinds of noun. I'm going to tell you about the kinds of nouns on the basis of counting. There are two kinds of nouns on the basis of counting. First one is countable noun and second one is uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. The nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns like fan, god, window, bottle, etc. Not all the countable nouns have two forms, singular and plural. Uncountable nouns. The nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. And remember, all uncountable nouns have only one form, that is singular. It means all uncountable nouns are singular. Like sugar, water, milk, etc. There are two kinds of articles in English grammar. First one, definite article, and second one, indefinite article. Definite article. The article which points out or demonstrates some particular person or thing is called definite article. Under this article, we study THE, that is pronounced as the or the. It will be discussed later when we have to pronounce it the and when do we have to pronounce it the. Next one, indefinite article. The article which points out or demonstrates general or indefinite person or thing is called indefinite article. Under this article, we study article A or N. So here it is very clear that definite article is used before the nouns which are special, which are particular, and which are used in a specific sense. And indefinite article is used when things are introduced first time. Article A and N. There are some common things in article A and N. First one, both the articles are used before singular countable nouns. Here, if we have to use article A or N before any noun, the noun should be singular and countable as well as. It means we cannot use article A or N before plural nouns. Second point, these articles can't be used before uncountable nouns. Article A and N cannot be used before uncountable nouns. Like we cannot use article A or N before milk, ink, etc. So there are two things which we must know. First, article A and N are not used before plural nouns, and these articles cannot be used before uncountable nouns. Third, the choice between A and N is determined by sound of the noun. Article A and N gives the same meaning. The meaning of article A or N is one. So it is very clear that we never use article A or N before plural nouns, and uncountable nouns. The use of article a and n completely depends on the sound of the noun before which these are used. So it becomes necessary for us to know about the sound of the nouns from which they start. Article A is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound. To know about consonant sound, we must have knowledge of Hindi alphabet. If a singular countable noun begins from K to G, before that particular noun we have to use article A. For example, I met a friend. Here friend is singular countable and it starts with a sound, that is consonant. So we have to use article A before it. In the similar examples, a book, a cow, a man, etc. Here I have written some examples. Each noun is singular countable noun and each noun starts with a vowel of English alphabet. But remember, each noun used here starts or begins with a consonant sound, like university. University starts with Y sound. Y is consonant, so we have to use article A. Union. Union starts with Y sound. Y is also consonant, so we have to use article A. European. European starts with Y sound. We have to use article A. U. U also starts with Y, that is also a consonant sound. In the similar sense, unicorn, useful, one. These are the words which start with a consonant sound, and we have discussed it very well that if a noun starts or begins with a consonant sound, we have to use article A if it is a singular countable noun. Article N is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. Here, vowel must be of Hindi alphabet from A to Ang. For examples, an orange. Orange is singular countable noun and orange starts with O sound, that is a vowel sound. So we have to use article N before it. In the same way, we use article N before egg, ant, and opportunity, because all these words begin with a vowel sound. Egg starts with A, ant starts with A, opportunity starts with A. In this way, we have to use article N before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. We have to choose article A or N according to the sound of the noun before which these are used. See some more examples. An hour, an honest student, an heir, an MLA, etc. In the starting three examples, H is silent. So the pronunciation of first one is hour, of next honest, of next heir. Here all these three examples start with the vowel sound, so we have to use article N. And last one, MLA. Here we pronounce M. First letter is A. A is vowel, so we have to use article N here. Article the is used before a particular or unique noun about which the speaker and listener know. Here, earth, Taj Mahal, and sun, all these nouns are unique. So before earth we use the, and the pronunciation of the here, the. If we use article the before a noun which begins with a vowel sound, we pronounce the as the Taj Mahal, the sun. And we pronounce the as the when the noun used after it begins with a consonant sound, like sun. Sun starts with sa sound, that is consonant. So the article used before it is pronounced as the, and before earth the article is pronounced as the. So this is difference of sound